Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fashion Girly Hats. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness. And you have a lot of fun in your life. And this is me Asya, and today I show you in this video very attractive and latest ideas of low maintenance hairstyle for girls and women. Many much more different ideas of low maintenance hairstyle. With beautiful haircut. Eye-catching hair dye. And many much more stylish ideas, latest collection of low maintenance hairstyle for girls. For women, you see in this video. I hope you like it. First of all, I'll talk about so beautiful ideas of hairstyling. Fine hairstyle. Messy hairstyle. Spiky hairstyle. So beautiful collection of messy and spiky hairstyle with undercut and shaved art. Different ideas of haircut. Pixie haircut, bob haircut. Shaggy haircut, wedge haircut. And different type of cuts, some ideas layered. deep layered. Some idea step, undercut. Beautiful collection of undercut and shaved art in low maintenance. Beautiful ideas of lines designs and circle designs, electric designs, zigzag design. And so beautiful collection of hair dye. Blonde color, burgundy color. Light brown, dark brown. Black color, grey color. Some ideas in funky colors. And many much more beautiful and latest collection. Trendy ideas of low maintenance hairstyle for girls. For women you see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you tried, I hope you look so nice, very stylish. And you look too gorgeous. You look very pretty. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video, your family members and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't go without your support or help, so I hope you do this. And share it all over social media accounts. So friend, thank you so much for watching the video on my channel. See you soon. I'll write back. With new collection, new ideas. Take care of yourself and take care of your loved ones and those around you. I hope you do it. Bye bye.